Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, paano ba palitan ang USDT link kay Pupo? Okay, bago tayo magpatuloy, make sure na i-copy mo na yung link na ipapalit natin. Okay, so kapag nandito na tayo kay Pupo, pindutin mo yung points. Then, tap mo yung withdraw now. And then, dito, itap natin yung arrow. Punta tayo sa, ayan, USDT. Itap mo yung view. Ayan, lagay mo na yung password mo. Then, so, ito na yung lumang link. Okay, i-X lang natin. Pindutin natin yung X and then, lagay natin yung kinopy natin na link. And then, submit. Tap submit. Then, wait natin mag-0 yan. Then, tap natin yung check. Ayan, bind successfully na. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.